So let's install Unity. Unity.com, download, and here, download for Windows, since I have Windows. Learn Unity with Pathways, thank you. And now the application is being downloaded on my computer. So I am waiting for the file to download, and I think if you have any other operating system, then let's see other plans, what they have. This week we're going to use the free plan, and this is application used for films, gaming, and also augmented reality, like gamification. In marketing we call this gamification, the gamification in marketing. All right, verified publisher, yes. And Unity terms of service, I agree. And yes, install it please on my C, and wait for it. And now completing it and finish. Hopefully it will automatically opens, yes. And here is Unity. Then what you need to do is you need to create an account. I think I could just log in. I think I have an account already. Oh man, I think I do have an account. Not I think, I'm sure I do. I don't remember though the password or which email in particular that I've used. Oh man. Let's see, can I actually use my Gmail here? Let's see. Oh, okay, so they're gonna send me some random login code to my email. Let's see, did I receive it? Yes, from Unity Technologies. I have a verification code, and here it is. Of course, mine will differ from yours. So let's try it, and here it is. Accept. All right. Okay, I will allow it to happen. I trust you, Unity people. And here we go. This is about Unity. And here's this amazing video about what Unity could do. And we're gonna talk here, I think they're gonna show us the new features, but all the features probably related to games and game design. We have VR, AR Auto Showroom. This is a new. So it seems like making the application, building, we call it, building the application has become one much easier. It used to trouble us really. Good. All right, nothing that I need. Okay, good. Install Unity Editor. Okay, let's do that. Agree. Yes, I agree. Maybe later for now. And now. I'm gonna install the Unity editor for multiple reasons, but It might take some time, as you can see here. So let it be. I probably need to edit this video and cut the time, the waiting time, because we might not need it. In any case, here in my on our Moodle page, I am going to kind of update the video, because Unity, every year I have to update my material, because every year there's something new about Unity, really. And that's amazing. That's amazing. It's always for good, but it affects the consistency, coherence of my slides too. What's really real right now with the interface. So hopefully this year I will dedicate some time to look again at my slides and kind of make sure that they are consistent with what we have right now with the application. So bring your laptop to class, install Unity. As you can see, here you have unity.com and you can download it. Still waiting for it to download. Okay. And well, I am going to also, here's a URL. I think this is like a step-by-step tutorial, but it's kind of outdated. So I'm gonna use this video instead. And now we are going to start with the AR business card, the project. Basically, this project is for the sake of understanding the different steps and the ecosystem, different entities around creating such applications. Even if you're doing a web application, you're gonna probably go over the same steps. You just skip building the application, the last step. But of course, one of the I think it was I don't want to mention the name wrong, so I'm gonna skip the name of the student. But we had our colleague, our friend here in class, showing us how easy it is to actually create an AR application nowadays with the use of graphic user interface, a GU. So meaning graphic user interface is basically just a drag and drop kind of elements. You don't even need to write the code. But of course, everything has a price. So with this, we are going to learn how you could probably accelerate your learning curve. So instead of you trying from scratch to learn on your own how to create an AR application for free, rather than, subscribing for a trial and so on with a web application, you could, with this course, hopefully, kind of speed up that learning curve. All right, so now let's take a look what's happening here. In progress still, you guys, in progress. It takes time. All right, while it's taking time, why not we take a look at what we need? So there is this file. Let's open it. Let's take a look. What do I have here? As you can see, this is a business card. It's an image of a business card for a business. And this business name is Purple Fin Photo Drone LLC. So basically they're using drones for taking photos. So bringing the sky to you, aerial drone photography, amazing. Based in Littleton, NH, office cell, and here's the name, Joseph, and here is the job title, and here's the email and whatever. So this is the business card. What I need you kindly to do is go ahead and create a folder. Go ahead and create a folder on your documents or inside your digital marketing class folder. I hope that you are having a folder for digital marketing course. And what you need to do is basically download this. So I think you can download it by just clicking on it, right? No? I'm going to make sure that you are able to download. Oh no, you can't download it. You just save as. You see? You can save as and just save it where? Nora Personal Desktop. What is this? What is this computer? Let's just throw it somewhere on the desk on the desktop right now, and then later take a look. And here save, and here, in fact, you can still get it. You see? So what I'm gonna do really, I'm gonna now print out one colored one for each and every one in class. So this is 17 copies that I need to make. So this is on my to-do list for today. This is what I need to do. I'm gonna print out for you guys. Each and every one of you gonna get one nice colored copy, because later we're gonna use this business card for showing the application. All right, so this business card, we call it the target. So this is the target, meaning if you are gonna give your business card to some business partner, what you need to do is just give him the card, and hopefully if you are on AR, a web application, not build an application, well, you probably hear this. We can the logo I will show you in class, that even the logo could work in AR, could work as a QR code. There's a certain way that this could work as a QR code. And I think, guys, if you received my email about that Tokyo outlet and actually booked a ticket, if you take a look at the ticket, closely take a look at the ticket, once I introduce that in class, you will find out that maybe actually that logo, that ticket, actually could be read through an AR. I am 95% sure of that, because I am aware. I've been working on certain logo designs that actually could be read. Markers, we call them, and AR markers. They actually logos, but they are an AR marker. So this is one thing that I need to do. Next, so this will be the target, our target, meaning if you have the application that we will design together on your mobile phone, and you open up your phone's camera and you face your mobile camera toward this business card, what's going to happen is your AR designed application, or designed whatever AR flow that you have, it will be showing on top of that business card. As you can see, these people are doing aerial drone photography. So maybe a very interesting AR object could be a drone. Yes, that's true. So for this case study, we're going to use a drone. I want you to kindly think with me, what should my AR object be? Because I'm going to use my business card, let's say, because this is going to be this is going to be one of the things that you would do. As we did here with the drone file, I would like you to also examine doing the same with your own business card. In any case, so this is the drone file, and this is the business card file. I'm gonna change this into more meaningful, not image file, but actual image file / this is our target image, and here is the drone file. Well, if you click on it, it will actually download, and this is called Unity package. SimpleDrone.unity package. Oh, so this file contains this file must contain so many things, yeah? Show all downloads, show in folder, and let's take a look. Oh man, this is a package, a whole package. If you are, I'm sorry, I keep double clicking. If you've done some simple web development nowadays with WordPress or other applications, you probably came to understand that most of the applications that you import into your website when you're doing the drag and drop kind of thing, and even with your AR web applications, if you want to bring in an object, a virtual object, you are gonna have to bring it in either package format and it's zipped or zipped format. So it could be dot package, as here it is dot unity package, or it could be also done in terms of seen in terms of a zipped code. So this is simple drawn.unity package from GitHub. It's available. Adding objects, augmented reality for developers. You see? So you could easily have a free 3D models. So you know what? What am I doing here? Why am I here? Well, maybe I should be somewhere else. I should be somewhere else. But here, this shows you how to add objects, and don't worry about this, I help you through it. But I should be searching free 3D objects for, look, it just say Unity and something for Blender. Here we go. Asset store. Do you see? Asset store, top free 3D assets. Here we go. This is where you should also you should explore. So you now know so far with this video something called the target for the AR that actually triggers the showing or triggers the AR object. And now today you hopefully has been introduced to the Unity Asset Store. This is the Unity Asset Store, and this Unity Asset Store is where you can actually get free 3D models. Oh, let's see, what do we have here? Fantasy Monster, my son's favorite, anything monster. First person lover, stones. Okay, Simple Town. Oh, I can get the whole Simple Town for free. Let me look at it very quickly. Oh, I can get even a pizza place here. Ah, here it is. This is what I'm getting. So, product information, I can read about it. This is the file size. And most importantly, these are the views, but where's the downloads? They no longer have the downloads. Oh, okay. So, nah. And however, there's 181 5-star likes, and here's more love. So you can see here, oh, look at this female warrior princess. Let's take a look at this. Oh, he even has the video for her. Oh man. So I need to bring such an avatar to life in the classroom. So maybe I should get some avatar. Let me see, teacher warrior. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Teacher warrior. Teacher. Let's see, what do we have? VR school. Scene, horror. Thank you. Sounds about right. So, yes, I'm getting here, definitely. So here's modern school. What is this? This is awesome, but this is not free, you guys. I gotta pay $16.5 to get the modern school game kit. And here's the teachers or kids. It's interesting, isn't it? So they're showing you what you have here. You have all these little figurines and 2 animated states, including It'll Walk. This is what's left for us. Also, It'll Walk. All right, and what else? You are offering me a lot of love from my students, which is something that we virtually don't get. All right, 6 views in the past week. However, not enough ratings, not many people. Yeah, it's education. Who's gonna buy something like this? But look, here's language school. Oh, this is what I'm looking for. Here we go. Exactly. This is the exact figure I am looking for. So perfect. So this is same mouth, eyes, yeah. And here I can in fact buy this avatar for free, and I can probably put it instead of the drawn to be walking around and maybe even talking. Yeah, especially if I can add some mouth movement to it. So she will be talking. I'll pay $32 for this. All right. So here's the classroom and so on. So it's quite interesting. They are here mostly paid. They are not for free, but you could in fact look through the store so that you can see if there is anything free. I think you can add here on sale only or hide purchase new release. Where is the price in? The price in I put 0. So you could just put I want it to be 0, meaning free assets, only free assets. Show me only free assets, and then hopefully you can find something interesting to show on top of your a card. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Ravi, I don't know what your business card will look like, but maybe health related. Okay, let's see Danielle, for example. Health related. What do you want to show? Maybe a nurse. Okay, maybe something interesting. Yeah. So let's see. Do we have a free nurse figure, for example? Let's see. Oh, here they are for free. But oh, that's perfect nurse for you. Here's a Zombie nurse, so no one will be actually. Here it's very Japanesey. Here very cartoonish, a little bit cartoonish, but look at this. This is crazy. But well, $43 to get Michael talking. So interesting, really. This is like, looks like Walter White in Breaking Bad. All right, so quite interesting. It's not as easy as I thought it is. Even though I said pricing, I want only free assets, but maybe I should remind them I want only free assets. So unfortunately, not much for you. So, in any case, this is the Unity Asset Store, and if you can get 3D, you can get animation. So these are people selling some animation, and let's see if there's anything free that we could look at. Free assets for animation. So here, this is free, basic motion free, only basic stuff. Oh, this guy is looking MVN, live animation. Okay, that's quite interesting. And yeah, this is it. Not much interesting when it comes to free assets in Unity. But I think if you have also you can import assets from other applications. We are still waiting. I probably didn't need that that editor, but maybe we do need it. So let me see and check exactly what is it that we need for this new installation. So this is one very interesting thing that I also introducing here, the Unity Asset Store. Please work around it, take a look, see what you got there, and well, there are assets for different Unity versions also. And here's platforms for, okay, if you're building an application for a certain platform, here's the ratings also, release date is also available for filtering. So, wait a minute, what is this AI? Generative AI. What is this? Tools generative AI. This is something new. I need to take a look at it. Yes, this is deep voice AI, text to voice. Let's take a look, you guys, together. What is this? You know, I only do this module for this class.
Hey, I got into his apartment. Hopefully he should be here in exactly 37 minutes. Which means I will have to hurry up if we plan to be on time. I am guessing your operation was smooth. Did you manage to secure the files?
Beneath an orange sky, Seraph, the mighty king of Azrael, stood firm, his regal presence commanding attention. Before him loomed
Generation. This is crazy, you guys. You can add even a generated voice and the text. Oh man, this is amazing, you guys. And look, some of them are a little bit free. Here, let's see. What do you have here? This is Leonardo AI. I don't think this is a voice. Yeah, it's not a deep voice. Photo to avatar. Oh, photo to real 3D avatar. Let's take a look. This is quite interesting. Maybe we should be using this. This is free. I think we should experiment with this, you guys. Look. Now I couldn't find the free figures for a teacher, for a nurse, but look, I probably can make my own avatar. Easily integrate. And look, you can even make motion. Do you see how you make motion? Look. Yes, I want to be skinnier. Oh yeah, blue hair will do. Yes, why not? Some nice... Oh, that is quite interesting. And you know what's interesting? Avaturn.me. Avaturn.me. This is crazy. Let's try the Avaturn. Photo to avatar. This is awesome, isn't it, you guys? Endless customization options. Animate in real time with any camera. Oh my goodness! Create garments with generative AI prompts. This is what we need here. The photo to real 3D avatar. It looks very realistic, but we want to dig deeper in this. So Avaturn. So this is what's new nowadays in AR. The Avaturn. And this is gonna be our next step. We need to investigate a little bit deeper with this Avaturn so that we can create our own. I'm gonna add this to my assets. The reviews were 4 out of 5 and only 3 people here. However, let's take a look. View details. Yes, I can view the details. I really love this. So let's take a look. This is called the Avaturn. It's realistic, and look, the guy is using his own mobile phone for taking his 3D facial. So let's see. Now I am having my phone, my mobile phone. Let's take a look. Do I have here's the App Store, and I am gonna look for something called Avaturn. Is it available? Oh no, it's not available here. Oh no. I'll take a look. Can add this to our assets like that. And here we go. It's added to my asset. Photo to real 3D avatar. So open in Unity, go to my assets. And let me now, for now, just leave this alone. This is a 3D avatar importer. I think maybe this is also brings any 3D avatar. If you make any 3D avatar in any applications here, they're explaining how to do it. So this is also might be quite interesting. Let's see, is this done? Almost there. Okay, so this is quite interesting. You need to know and get your way through the Unity Asset Store. These are all for shades and all that. Templates. Trending. (2D) characters, environment, fonts, audio, ambient. Okay, this is all for free, the audio even. Application, add-ons. There's applications, there's machine learning add-ons, There's essentials. This is the asset packs essentials. Let me take a look at the essentials, all right? What are the essentials? The essentials here, as you can see, these are for helping you to start learning with Unity. So this is why they call them the essentials, you see. And most of the books that starts teaching you Unity related, they will refer to certain assets here, assets packages in and under the essentials. Where is ours? Oh, maybe it's out of ceased to exist, maybe. And then AI related, this AI generative, AI machine learning. ML means machine learning integration. Behavior AI? What? What is this behavior AI? Dialogue system for Unity. Oh my goodness. All right. A projection, a pathfinding project. Behavior 2, game creation. Okay, AI tree. This is for our friend in class, Emerald. Emerald, AI agents navigation. This is crazy. So look at this sensor toolkit. This is crazy, isn't it? Oh man. Oh, so many things that you could just save time with automation. You see, auto generation automation with the AI. This is crazy, yeah? Amazing. So this is new, really. This is new for in the past 2 years. This wasn't here for sure. Deep voice, dialogue system, Breeze advanced character behavior, tone AI speech recognition, and then decentralization. With decentralization technologies and gaming, we have games with decentralized technologies. You know, nowadays it's all about blockchain, centralization, decentralization. So we have the sandbox, it's user-generated virtual gaming world where players can build their own, monetize their games, and so on. Decentraland. Decentraland is the first fully decentralized Ethereum-based. Oh, what are they talking about? Ethereum, you guys, is a crypto. It's a kind of like currency. This is very popular. I think I presented a little bit about the Ethereum. So this is a dynamic virtual social world. This is Decentraland. So this is very important. You need to know about it really. So it is an Ethereum-based virtual world. Ooh, you didn't explain what is Ethereum. Ethereum, it's kind of another point system. It's becoming a currency, you guys. So this is Decentraland. This would be a very interesting presentation. So they have events, they have places. It's a virtual world, as you can see, and you can build these images, these avatars or whatever 3D assets, and as you can see, here's builder, documents, places, events, and so on. And as you can see, you can create, as I told you, this is Asuka, and you can create these avatars and buy them and sell with a unit called Ethereum. So Ethereum is for NFT. So Ethereum is a network of computers all over the world that follow a set of rules called the Ethereum protocol. The Ethereum network acts as the foundation for, but here an Ethereum is a decentralized global software platform powered by blockchain. Do you see? I told you it's about blockchain technology, and they use their own. Some platforms, even here in this platform, I think they use some Ethereum also to refer to the a cryptocurrency that is used also in that platform. So Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain. So this is where the blockchain technology kind of intersect with virtual reality. Do you see? So this is a very interesting research report, or an interesting thing to look into for any DPI student. If you're still looking for a very interesting report to write, definitely this is the Decentraland, or Decentraland, sorry, the Decentraland.org is have their own network, and they allow, I think, for I think they allow for trading. So now I'm done with this. So I hope that this is the Decentraland has also caught your attention. So today we've learned about how even Unity as a platform is now integrating not only AI related, this is new for me. Dogami is an entertainment brand developing a mobile first game centered around the true ownership of the virtual NFT. Ah, sokka. So yeah. So I've read about all this, but I forgot the name. So it's all about nowadays. It's all about ownership of NFTs, and I think with Decentraland, if I'm not wrong, with Decentraland, they also use the Ethereum as referring to the cryptocurrency, or like a cryptocurrency really, or a certain code to claim your ownership or trade as well. So this is interesting technologies, or decentralized technologies for gaming. So this is very interesting, blockchain related, because anything like that decentralized is blockchain related and NFT. So you can easily take a look at this kind of systems, introduce them, compare between them, their capabilities, what they can offer you, and all that. That would be really a very interesting asset. And here, if you want to sell an asset, of course, you can add whatever avatars, or whatever graphic or systems or little worlds that you have in 2D or 3D, or in terms of systems, or physics empowered, or like algorithm empowered here, and so on. So I hope today you don't see that waiting for this was a waste of time. Today we talked about the target for a virtual augmented reality. We browsed together the Unity Asset Store, and we discovered what's new related to AI, machine learning, and most importantly, decentralization with blockchain. So that is an interesting report to write if you're not sure yet about what you want to do for your master thesis. So this is quite more practical than the academic. Just look at what available decentralized blockchain related NFT, for example, also based systems and platforms, and what they offer and how they are different. You, of course, you have Unity, you have other things like there's other applications also other than Unity, like Blender. Also, seems like Blender might also have something similar to this. Okay, smart wearables. Turbo. Charge your creativity with smart wearables, enabling unique experience that travel with your avatar as they explore Decentraland. Oh no, I can't resist looking into this. So they have wearable. There's a Metaverse Fashion Week also. It's a whole different world, this people into graphic design and all this, so you can, as a designer, explore all this. Interesting. Okay, okay. So now let's talk about back again to Unity. Now that we have it, it's okay. Okay, still going. So now we knew about this. This is the package, the drawn package, and I showed you where we got it. We got this from either the asset store or I used my own source, which is a book, and used the asset that comes with the book. Business card project, PowerPoint slides. So these are only the PowerPoint slides. They might be a little bit outdated, so I need to kind of take a look at what's in there. Okay, what happened? Okay, maybe there's not many. It's a file, not a folder, so there's only one. Probably business card project, yeah. Okay, and then we have an assignment. I'm gonna take a look at the assignment and fix it later. Zoom recording of today's class for absent students. That's back in the time, with little kindness from my side. And then we have presentations of the AR business card. We probably, this is here, I'm talking about the asset store and so on. So let's hope that I have this ready now. Not yet. It's still in progress. So for now, this is a quick introduction for what we have here. I'm gonna take a look at everything available here, and probably I'm gonna make another video, probably for all the steps required to complete the AR project. However, you need to come to class so that we can do it together. But if for some reason you couldn't catch up with our speed in class, I promise I'm gonna make a video also for students to complete this project as soon as possible. Also, because I will ask you to create or to have another virtual object added on top of your business card. So now I showed you where you can get free assets, either 2D or 3D, from the asset store, and I will show you how to import it, exactly how we are importing this Unity package, and hopefully you will be able to present your work in class by just showing, and we will be all testing the application, so you need to bring your own business card. So from now on, please try to find a place where you can create my own business card. Here, create AR business card. That is crazy. Build AR, no app required. AR, VR, development, free trial. Oh, thank you so much, but it's only 14 days. It's not enough for me to give my students enough time to use it. So AR business cards, how to make one without writing a code. This is quite interesting. If you wanna, it's not a must. It's not writing any code. Do you see? So here, as you can see, is a QR code, and you will pop up. As you can see, there's a green screen behind you. So it will be it will remove the green screen and take instead the spatial. This is AR business card. So I didn't want really to show this. I wanted to show images, for example. So here you can see this is a video that shows what kind of things I am thinking about, really. So you can have your business card here, but this is your name, your picture, and you can actually click on certain buttons and send you to here, for example, and send you to different websites and so on. Same applies here. It's very basic really, but what I will do with you is actually try to animate the object because it's already built with animation, and also move the object, build a path or a trajectory for movement. This is easier than what you think. If you can do what I show you to do, then all this, you know guys, will be just easy. Just showing a card like this. And I'm telling you, there is here, for example, this is here the target image, as you can see, and you will be able to immediately see whatever you want to see here about the person or about the project or in a Whip AR. This is Whip AR because unless this takes you to the link where you need to download an application, that would be smart really. So this is also a target AR. This is what I'm talking to you about. I immediately realized this. This is not a QR code, and this is not just a normal ordinary icon or design. This is Vuforia. We call it a Vuforia. There is an engine with Unity AR applications. We call it Vuforia engine, and let me show you. So this is the Vuforia engine. So this is developer portal. Do you see? Each and every one of you should have an account here with Vuforia engine. So this Vuforia engine now 10.17 is available and so on. What is this? Pricing, I think, for free up to a certain level. I hope it's still the same. Vuforia engine pricing, the right plan to build whatever. There is the features here. There's a free feature still here. So you can't put more than 20 photographs only here. 20 photographs for area target and model target. See? You could have an area target and a model target. What is a model target? For example, if you are selling wine, then you can put the bottle of wine as a model target. So whoever actually opens the screen, opens the camera on your wine model will show a whole AR experience. Okay, you guys, so this is one thing I would like you to do, which is create an account with Vuforia engine for developers. I should have an account here. I need to remember what was my account. nora.cherkassi@gmail.com. And let's see if I still remember the password. Oh, yes, I do. And they know me. Here we go. So here is my account. So I could change my account information. This is my account information. And I haven't used this account in a while. You see that? And this is where it gives me licenses. So this is different assets that I actually exported, and I got a license for it. Yeah. So these are the assets that I've been using over the years. So for example, take a look at this. Okay, it takes time. So this is the license. You just hit on a click on it and it's already copied, and you use it later. I will show you in Unity. And this is VooMarks. What is the VooMarks? Your plan includes unlimited VooMarks. What is this? What is the VooMark? Well, come over here. VooMarks. Now you will know why Nora said I am 95% saying that this is AR. Do you see this? This is a VooMark. Do you see this with all squares? It's a VooMark, but it's better in black and white. This is a VooMark. This is a VooMark. Does it look familiar now? When I saw, I think somewhere some image. This one, I told you this is probably not just any ordinary image. This is a Vomark. Why do I think this is a Vomark? Look at the corners here, and even look at this pattern. Look at this pattern here. It's all squares, as you can see. This is a Vomark. It's like a QR code, but it's not a QR code. It is an AR. This is also types of augmented reality targets like Vomarks. So Vomarks are targets already. They are installed, and you read easily with the AR camera. So do you see here virtual reality? Danielle, I'm sorry, you're the only one I know that you have a business. Danielle, go investigate more about Vomarks. Why not, right, man? And get yourself with your logo. If you don't want to change your logo, if you don't have a logo yet, maybe it's time to create one of its kind logo. A logo that actually also check the box of being a Vomark. And Vuforia is a very popular engine that detects, that uses, as you can see, object recognition. What is an object recognition? That sees the object as a picture, captures the picture of that object, but also matches. So there's an algorithm, a proprietary algorithm that matches this object with all the objects available in your library. So do you see, these all are Vomarks. So because I am very familiar with the Vomark, basically most of the time it will have like certain arranged squares at different corners like this. So this is why I tell you, if you booked a ticket with that Tokyo outlet that I sent you, or even when I immediately took a look here, I was like, this is a Vomark. So this is an already easy to recognize image through the Vomark, the Vuforia engine. Good. So today we also learned about the Unity assets and the Vuforia engine. And not only the Vuforia engine, we learned about the Vomark, which is a very interesting way of creating a state-of-the-art, very modern logo for your business. That is not only a logo, but it's also a target, a marker, or a target for an AR target, or we call it also a marker. Do you see? That's why I tell you I'm very familiar with that, without reliance on coding. Yeah, you don't need coding nowadays. All right, you guys, so in class, it seems like this thing will not finish anytime soon. So this is it for this video, and I look forward to seeing you again on Friday. Take care.